Hello everyone, in today's video, we are going to show you how to add a device to your Lorex security system in just a few simple steps. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get your device up and running fast. First, make sure you have downloaded the correct app. Before you add the device, ensure your DVR, NVR or Wi-Fi camera is powered on and connected to the internet. For wired system, use a Ethernet cable. For wireless camera, connect them to your home Wi-Fi. Now, open the app and log in or create a Lorex account. Tap onto the plus icon or add device, then scan the QR code located on your camera or system. If you can't see the QR code, you can manually enter the device ID. Follow the on-screen prompt to name your device, set a password and adjust basic settings like motion detection or push notification. Turn on push alert to get real-time notification when motion is detected. And that's it. You have successfully added a device to your Lorex security system. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more smart home tutorial. Got any questions or stuck somewhere? Drop a comment below and we will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.